Hello students, today we are going to learn standard 6 subject English unit number 6 shadow and light. As you know students, in our previous videos we completed activity number 1 to 6 and we also started our activity number 7. Activity number 7 is a little story about a moth. A moth with a dream. We started talking about that story. Here one little moth have a dream to reach the star. Okay? To reach the star. After that, he told about his dream to his mother. His mother and father both say him to don't think about the far away things. Think about a nearer thing. So he advised him to go to the nice land. But here a little boy didn't listen his parents think. Okay? He didn't listen his parents. So he every night, whenever star came at the sky, at that time he started his journey towards the stars. And whenever morning happens, he once again returned to his home with worn out. बहुत ही थका हुआ वो रिटर्न वापस आता है. Till here we completed our story. Now next things we have to understand. So open your textbook, page number 52. Just we have to start our story's remaining part. Okay? So keep attention. First two paragraphs we completed in our previous video. Now third paragraph we have to start. Now what's happened? वो शाम होते ही वो स्टार की तरफ उड़ देता है और जब सुबह होते है तो वापस रिटर्न थका हुआ घर पे आ जाता है. Now what's happened? See, one day his father said to him, "You haven't burned a wing yet, boy, and it looks to me like you never will." Now one day when a moth came at home in the morning, at that time his father said to little moth that, "You haven't burned a wing yet." अभी तक आपने अपनी एक भी पंख जो विंग होते हैं वो जलाई नहीं है, मीन्स कि आपकी कोई पंख जली नहीं है. कैन यू ऑब्जर्व दैट whenever at any light or lamp, moths flying here and there, sometimes he sat on that lamp. At that lamp is very hot. Lamp is very hot. So his or her moths little fly or little wings will be burned. आपने कभी देखा होगा तो जो मोथ्स लाइट के आसपास उड़ते हैं वो जब भी उस पर बैठते हैं तो उसकी गर्म सतह की वजह से उसकी जो विंग्स होती है वो जल जाती है. यहाँ पे उसके फादर ने बोला, आपने अभी तक एक अपनी जगह भी विंग्स जलाई नहीं है बोय, एंड इट लुक्स टू मी लाइक यू नेवर विल. एंड मेरी तरफ देखो, मेरी तरफ तुमने कुछ भी नहीं किया. What's wrong with you? His father asked the question, what's wrong with you? What wrong with you? All your brothers have burned their wings flying around street lamps, and all your brothers burned their wings flying around street lamps. आपके सभी भाइयों ने अपनी जो विंग्स है वो जला ली है बिकॉज वो स्ट्रीट लैम्प के आसपास उड़ते हैं. All your sisters have burned their wings flying around house lamps, and आपकी सभी बहनों की पंखें भी जली हुई है because they flying around the house lamps. Come on now, this is what we do. Come on now, this is what we do. अपने मोथ की लाइफ तो ऐसी ही होती है. आप क्या कर रहे हैं? अभी तक आपने अपनी एक भी पंख जो विंग्स है वो जलाई नहीं है. You aren't afraid of a little one, are you? His father asked one question, more year, you aren't afraid of a little bump? आप जलने से डरते हैं? Are you? ऐसा उसके फादर ने क्वेश्चन पूछा. Now what's happened? Now what's happened we have to see in our next paragraph. The next paragraph. The moth wasn't afraid, but he didn't want to fly around street lamps or house lamps. Actually, little moth don't afraid. He wasn't afraid, but he didn't want to fly around street lamps or house lamps. So he left his father's house. After listening that things, he don't want to fly around the street lamps and around the house lamps. So he don't like his father's advice. So he left home now. उसने घर छोड़ दिया. He never changed his dream because his dream is different than his father. His dream is different than his father because his father told us every time that fly around the street lamp and house lamp. But little moth's dream is different. You want to read what star. Okay? So here little moth left his house. When he grew up, he continued to believe. जब वो बड़ा होने लगा तो भी उसने अपना ड्रीम नहीं छोड़ा. Every night he went right on trying to reach the star. Now what's happened? Every night, whenever night arrives, he went right towards the reach star. Star की तरफ वो उड़ देता है. Of course, this star was 4 1/3 light years. मगर स्टार यहाँ से कितना दूर था वो यहाँ पे डिस्टेंस दिया गया है. सी स्टार वॉज 4 1/3 लाइट ईयर. स्टार यहाँ से 4 1/3 स्टार ईयर दूर है. स्टार ईयर मीन्स व्हाट? स्टार ईयर न्यू वर्ड इज गिवन हियर. स्टार लाइट ईयर मीन्स व्हाट? यहाँ से लाइट ईयर इतनी लाइट ईयर दूर है. कितना दूर है? 4 1/3 लाइट ईयर यहाँ से दूर है. लाइट ईयर मीन्स व्हाट? It is a unit of distance equivalent to the distance that light travel in 1 year. Light year means क्या होता है? 1 light year इतना एक साल में जो लाइट ट्रैवल करती है उसे लाइट ईयर बोलते हैं. Equivalent to the distance that light travel. एक साल में लाइट जितना डिस्टेंस दूर जाती है उससे 1 लाइट ईयर बोलते हैं. टू द डिस्टेंस दैट लाइट ट्रैवल्स इन 1 ईयर नियरली 6 मिलियन माइल. लगभग उसकी माप कितना होता है? 6 मिलियन माइल्स होता है. माइल्स इज 1 यूनिट ऑफ डिस्टेंस. कैन यू अंडरस्टैंड हियर? सो यहाँ से स्टार इतनी दूरी पे था और फिगर में दिया गया है. देखो 40 आफ्टर दैट 12 0 is added. किलोमीटर्स अवे. कितना किलोमीटर यहाँ से दूर होते थे स्टार से. बट द मोथ डिडंट नो दैट. परंतु मोथ को पता नहीं था. किंतु उसे पता नहीं था कि स्टार यहाँ से कितने दूर है. कैन यू अंडरस्टैंड हियर? नाउ नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड. द मोथ थॉट दैट द स्टार वाज जस्ट caught in a top branches of a tall tree. The moth considered that star is on the top of the branches of tree. उसे ऐसा ही फील होता था कि स्टार है वो किसी पेड़ की ऊपर की जो ऊपर की डाली होती है वहां ही है. वो ऐसे ही थिंक करता था. और whenever night appeared, he traveled through his path. This traveled towards star. उसे ऐसा ही लगता था कि स्टार सभी है वो अपने झाड़ के ऊपर की जो डाली है वहां पे ही है. Now next paragraph. The moth went right on trying night after night, but he never did reach the star. मगर क्या हुआ? The moth went right on trying. He tried to try and try. Night after night. Every night he traveled towards the stars, but he never did reach the star. But उसने पूरी जिंदगी में वो कभी वो स्टार की तरफ पहुंचा ही नहीं. Next line. Finally, when he was very, very old, his mind began to play tricks, as mind sometimes do. Now, to reach his dream, Moth try and try. Every night he travels, he flies through towards the stars. Now, many years passed. Now he became the old person. Little Moth became now older. When he was very, very old, his mind began to play tricks. Now he was unable to fly very high. At that time, he tried to play trick. Play trick means what? Here new word play trick is given. Play trick means to deceive. છેતરવું જેને કહે, બાનું કાઢવું જેને કહે તે deceive. He deceived as mind sometimes do. वो अपने मगज में, माइंड में जो आता है उस तरह वो डिसीव करने लगता है, दूसरे को छेतरने लगता है, डिसीव करने लगता है. He began to believe that he really had reached the stars. Now, in his mind, he believed that he reached the star. उससे वो अपने माइंड में ऐसा थिंक करने लगता है कि मैं स्टार की तरफ, स्टार तक पहुंच चुका हूं. उसके माइंड में वो ऐसा थिंक करने लगता है. So he think that he reached the star. Often he told stories of his adventure catching a star, and sometimes he give his stories to new young moths that he talking about adventure of his catching the star. वो अपने बारे में दूसरे मोथ को ऐसे दिखाने लगा कि मैं स्टार तक पहुंच चुका हूं, मैं स्टार तक गया था तो मुझे क्या क्या दिक्कतें आई थी, वो सब बातें करने लगता है. He began to believe that he really had reached the stars. Often he told stories of his adventure catching a star. No one listened to him, but he was happy anyway. But उसकी बातें कोई नहीं सुन रहा था, मगर वो खुश था. But he was happy anyway. किसी तरह से वो बड़ा खुश था. For his entire long life, the moth believed in his dream, and he lived to be a very, very old moth. Entire, here new word entire is given here. Entire means whole, throughout, पूरी जिंदगी. Entire means कि पूरी लाइफ, अपनी पूरी लाइफ, long life. The moth believed in his dream. अपनी पूरी जिंदगी उसने एक ही ड्रीम में गुजार दी, स्टार तक पहुंचना है. And he lived to be very, very old. वैसे वो अपने ड्रीम के साथ बहुत सारी जिंदगी जिया, ज्यादा लॉन्ग लाइफ उसने जी. Very, very old moth. Now he became a very, very old moth. He was happy, but he was very happy. But his mother, father, brothers and sisters all burned to death when they were quite young. वो लंबी जिंदगी जिया, मगर उस दूसरी तरफ उसके भाई, माता पिता, बहनें सभी यंग एज में ही जल के मर गए. Because they flying around the lamps, street lamps and house lamps. वो वहां पे जल के ही अपनी यंग लाइफ में ही मर चुके थे. मगर जो ये मोथ था वो लॉन्ग लाइफ उसने जिया. बिकॉज उसका एक ड्रीम था स्टार की तरफ पहुंचना. वो कभी स्टार की तरफ पहुंचा नहीं, मगर वो ड्रीम के साथ वो अपनी लंबी जिंदगी जीता है. ओके. ऑन अदर साइड, his mother, father, brother and sisters, they all burned and died in their young life, young age. Okay? उसका एक सपना था, उसके सपने की वजह से वो लॉन्ग लाइफ जिंदगी जिया. कैन यू अंडरस्टैंड स्टूडेंट? सो उसका ड्रीम उसे लॉन्ग लाइफ जिया था. ओके? लॉन्ग लाइफ जिया वो अपने ड्रीम के साथ. कैन यू अंडरस्टैंड स्टूडेंट? Here our story over. You have to complete all the new words in your fair notebook. Here with that our activity number 7 also here completed here. Remaining activities we have to do in our next video. Thank you for joining us.